What's up, YouTube? Now, today I'm going to do a review on the Turbo Sound ip12b sub and the Turbo Sound ip300 column array. All right, let's go. Now, this is my first video of 2020. I'm going to start making a lot more videos and reviewing a lot of stuff. So this is going to be like a freelance footage, no editing, no anything. So here we go. All right. I got the Turbo Sound ip12b sub, Turbo Sound speaker stand. You know, I always get stuff to uniform. All of my gear has the same stuff, like uniform stuff. And this is the cover. Now, this is the cover for the Turbo Sound ip2000 PC, something like that. But the same sub, the cover fits this same sub, the 12B. All right, take that off, put that to the side. All right, now this is the Turbo Sound ip12b sub. Now I have the Turbo Sound Milan 15B, but it's a little bulky. So I went with the 12B sub because I think it complements the ip300 column array very well. So I'm gonna put the sub in here, pull like so, and I'm going to put everything that I have covers and bags and different things, because you know, when you spend your money on gear, especially your speakers, your controllers, or your turntables, or whatever, you know, you want to protect them. You want to keep them protected. And you want to keep them looking fresh as long as you can, you know, because one of my pet peeves, I don't like going to gigs with beat up gear, speakers. It's all bent, the grill's all dent up, the subs and stuff peeling and all. I don't like that. All right, here we go. All right, let's see. Uh-oh, got a little noise here. All right, that's my ip12, my ip300. I'm sorry about that. It's too early. All right, let's go back here. I'm gonna go back down to the sub. Make a lot of noise there. All right, now here we go. I'm gonna spin this around. Now, this is why I like the 12B sub. You know, it's compact. You know, it's 1,000 watts, and it's a tight sounding sub, real tight. Here, that's the back of the ip300. So we're gonna run this. I'm gonna see if I can get a shot of what I'm doing. Okay, here we go here. All right, now this is why I like this system. The reason why I bought this system. Okay, I'm gonna go my XLR cable, everything that I have, you know, I keep them wrapped up, whatever. Okay. All right. My XLR. Boom. Boom. All right. Here we go. My Next, I'm going into input on my sub. I'm going to input A. Okay. No, sorry. This is going for the top. Sorry about that. That's going to go to the top. And I'll go ahead and straighten the wires out later on. Right now, I'm going to try to get this video together. So, but check this out. And I'm going to run the cable from my sub. I'm gonna go that's gonna go to input A. Okay, and this one is going over here. All right, now I know you guys saying why I'm not running the top into the sub. Well, there's a reason for that. Okay, there's a reason. Now, a lot of people saying that the sub doesn't have a crossover, which it does. So this is how I run my gear. All right. Now I'm gonna turn you over here to here. All right. Focus a little bit. All right, there we go. The reason I like this Karma Race system the way that I like it, and a lot of people are saying that they're having problems with the ip300s, the way it sounds, it's dropping off. First of all, the ip300s, you have to angle them because they have the tweeters going left and right. Some people say 180 degree dispersion. Some people say 150 degree dispersion and all that. No, it's only 120 degree, which is still good. Now, over here, this is how I run my system if I'm doing a DJ setup or a band setup or whatever. Okay, this is the Behringer X-Air 12. Okay, as you can see, my ip300 is going into the main, right? This other cord right here, which is a 1/4 inch, it says aux1. That's going into my sub. So I'm running aux bass, and I'm running my tops is coming out of here, right? And the reason why for that is because I like to control my bass. I like to control the bass. Okay, now I would like to give y'all a sound test, but it ain't gonna do no good because the fact is, you know, coming through a cell phone, the sound is gonna be stupid. You know, you're not gonna hear the clarity, and you're really not gonna hear the bass. Now, this is what I do for my ip300. Spin that around. And I have two. So what I do is I have one slightly turned this way, the other one slightly turned to the left. And that's how I run my ip300. And that's how I don't get no dropouts at 50 feet or none of that. It doesn't happen. And the sound is real good and it's clear. So So yeah, if you have this system to set up, all you have to do is angle your tops and you'll get your full sound. And these things is loud, and they real loud and they clear. Now, the Turbo Sound Milan 15B subs that I have, the bass was just too much. You know, it was just too much. But these 12Bs complement the ip300 tops very well. Very well. Now, if I was doing something small where so I didn't have to use the mixer, then I would run my top like this. And if I would do it like that. Yeah. So I hope this video is a help. If it can help somebody out, fine. If not, still fine. All right. 2020 out.